Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to calculate compound interest. So here we have our first problem. Find the amount and the compound interest on rupees 12,000 in 2 years at 10% per annum. So to calculate the compound interest, we have formula. If the interest is compounded yearly, we apply formula A equals to P in bracket 1 plus R over 100 to the power n, where A equals to amount, P equals to principal, R equals to interest rate, and time is in year. So here what we are given with P equals to rupees 12,000, n equals to 2, and R equals to 10%. Now substitute the value, we will find A, P equals to 12,000, 1 plus 10 over 100 to the power 2. Now by calculating this 0 will be cancelled with the 0, and the sum of this 1 plus 1 over 10 to the power 2. Now after solving this 12,000, the sum of these two values will be 11 over 10, and we'll get now A equals to 12,000 times 11 over 10 times 11 over 10, because we have here the power of 2. So we'll write down 11 over 10 2 times. Now this 0 and 0 will be cancelled with these two 0. So here we have A equals to 120 times 11 times 11. After multiplying this, we will get 14520. This is the total amount which one has to pay after 2 years, and total interest will be, so compound interest will be amount minus principal, which is 14,520 minus 12,000. So CI will be 2,520 rupees. So this is our answer, compound interest, and this is our answer, amount. Here we have our next problem. Find the amount and the compound interest on rupees 9,000 in 1 year at 10% per year if compounded half yearly. So for this we have formula. If interest is compounded half yearly, we have formula for this. A equals to P in bracket 1 plus R divided by 2 times 100 to the power n times 2, where A, P, R and N have same value. So here we are given with P equals to rupees 9,000, R equals to 10%, and N equals to 1 year. Now I'll substitute the value in the formula. So A equals to 9,000 in bracket 1 plus R is 10 divided by 2 times 100, and to the power N equals to 1 times 2. So this 0 will be cancelled with this 0. A equals to 9,000 1 plus 1 over 20 to the power 2. So here we will get A equals to 9,000 21 over 20 to the power 2. So I can open the bracket. 9,000 times 21 over 20 times 21 over 20. Now this 20 will be cancelled with this 20. This 2 will be cancelled with this 90. Give us 45. Now A will be 45 times 21 times 21 over 2. By solving this, we will get 9,922.5 rupees. Now we need to calculate compound interest. So compound interest is A minus P, which is 9,922.5 minus 9,000. After subtracting this, we will get 922.5 rupees. This is our compound interest and this is amount.